Think 3D printing is just for gadgets? Think again. 3D printing is transforming healthcare like never before. Imagine custom prosthetics tailored perfectly for each patient, or printing a new bone for a fracture. Crazy, right? But that's not all. Scientists are working on printing organs. Yep, printed livers, kidneys, and more could soon be reality. It's not science fiction anymore. It's 3D printing, pushing boundaries and saving lives. The future of medicine is here, and it's printed. Stay curious, tech enthusiasts. Visit our website, International Research Hypothesis Excellence Award. Nomination open now, researchhypothesis.com, and subscribe for more. Let's grow this research community.